Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we analyze and observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, as it really does help out with the channel. Here we have the cryptocurrency fear and greed index, guys, currently in the fear section. We hadn't been in fear in forever, currently at 37. Wow, that is just insane. Just yesterday, we were 50s in the 50s here, and even greedy last month, and now just to see that curvature, that dump, wow, breaking this previous pivot low on our way towards 33. Wow, and we're currently at 37. If 33 doesn't hold, we expect to come back down here into the 20s to retest these previous lows. That's crazy, man. The markets are going wild, but we'll definitely cover that soon. We're gonna cover the charts, but before we do, just wanted to make sure that we covered BTC here. As we can see, let's see here, currently at around $26,700, down 7% in the last 24 hours, and also down almost 10% in the last 7 days. That's crazy. Here we can see the dump as well in CoinMarketCap, just dumping in price when earlier today the price was $28,400. So that's a $2,000 crash towards the downside. A lot of rumors that SpaceX sold their Bitcoin and this and that and the other, but regardless, the dump has been strong. A little bit of a recovery as of late, but we went to revisit all the way down to 25K. Insanity. A $3,000 crash, man. Insane for Bitcoin. I mean, the volume has been ramping up 100%, basically doubling overnight here to $31 billion. The market cap still holding strong at about $520 billion, but it's crazy. It's crazy to see the volatility come back into the markets. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And we also have a free educational playlist for you guys in the link in the description down below. There's a link there. You can learn about so many different cryptocurrency themed videos with their educational presentation, all for free. Guys, here we see the charts. As we can see, wow, we broke this uptrend, as we're going to see in the weekly chart soon after this one. But wow, look at this massive buy wick here off the $25,000 level. This candle was enormous, man. Look, it started at 28.7, went all the way down to 25,000. That's almost a $4,000 move in less than 24 hours. Insanity in the markets. Of course, a lot of support down at 25K. So right now we're chilling McMillan at the $26,500 support, as we can see here. Wow, that is just crazy. The volatility back for Bitcoin after a lot of consolidation up here, a lot of indecisiveness for the markets, but now Bitcoin has crashed down after breaking this trend line that I had been holding for this calendar year, actually. So that's pretty impressive, man. And look, same deal with the RSI here, barely fits on the chart, just crashing down, making a new local low as well. So I mean, things are not looking good. I mean, based on this divergence, in the sense that we have a new low here, but the low here with this chart is not lower than this low. You know what I mean? So let's see how it plays out in the next couple of days. Things are getting exciting. Volatility is ramping up for Bitcoin, and we might be getting great buying opportunities anywhere from the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Let's see how that pans out. On the weekly, you can see it more clearly. Look at that uptrend since the beginning of the year, since the bottom right here. For the first time, we've broken this in months after months after months. This is a huge candle. Let's see how it closes from here on out to the end of the week. But if this closes, we expect the start of a new downtrend for Bitcoin for the next couple of weeks. Who knows? Maybe the next 1, 2, 3 months, heading into the latter part of the year. Q3, Q4. So let's see how it pans out. Right now, it's not looking nice. Clearly rejected from resistance here on the weekly. Showing a little bit of strength with the buy wick there, but it hasn't closed yet. You see the cross here on the weekly as well. Big cross. That's communicating the loss of momentum, and the RSI breaching these previous lows as well. So it's going to be an important close by the end of the week to see what Bitcoin is going to decide to do. Here as well, we broke the 21-week weekly moving average. The 21 21 weekly here broken down as well. It was serving as support for, again, this calendar year move here for the year of 2023. Resistance clearly here. We had a gravestone doji, as we called, and boom, look at that, you can't make this stuff up. The wick came right down to 25k, and look at where we're standing right now, that 26.7k support. Wow, you can't make this stuff up, man. TA is just beautiful, the way that human psychology, human emotions, and how the charts display that, you know, in the trend line, support and resistance. That's why I love making these videos. And lastly, the Bitcoin dominance, as we can see, it made a high, hasn't been able to reclaim that high yet. You know, made a move here, but now retesting that 49.6, 49, you know, 49.5% Bitcoin dominance level. So right now, you know, altcoins are not losing as much dominance. You know, Bitcoin's not dominating the altcoins as much yet per se, but there's a lot of consolidation, just like we did here before that next leg up, as we expect to get us above that 52% in the next couple of weeks. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget, link in the description down below. You can find our website, you know, with great investment tools and resources for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for your time, your support, and your attention. Take care.